when you're walking on the roadway, you got to walk on this side. So when you were over here crossing, do me a favor, put your hands on there. Try not to burn your stuff. Spread your feet. Step back to me, please. All right.
The encounter begins with a young black man being stopped by police for simply walking on the wrong side of the road, a vague and questionable justification that reeks of racial profiling. According to the Fourth Amendment, the right of the people to be as secure in their persons, houses, papers, and effects against unreasonable searches and seizures shall not be violated. This stop, lacking clear evidence of criminal activity, appears to violate that constitutional protection. The officer's tone and immediate escalation, demanding ID, asking about weapons, and probing for drugs suggest a predetermined suspicion rooted in the man's race rather than any observable wrongdoing. This is not law enforcement, it's a power trip cloaked in a badge.
How are you, man? Hey, so the reason I want to talk to you, bro, when you're walking on the roadway, you got to walk on this side. So when you were over here crossing, where you headed today, man? Where's home for you? Oh, don't call them the projects. Just south end. Okay. No, it's okay, man. Do you happen to have your ID on you? Is that where you work? It's already off done? You've done at 12? Or what time is it?
It's 3, so.
Okay. All right, you want to grab that? Okay. You good?
It's hot. You scared me, man.
I know. I hear you want to stand in the state, man. Hey, listen. Any weapons, drugs, or that whatsoever? Not at all? All right, man. Go ahead and hang on and shake. Give me a minute. I'll get you out of here, okay?
Texas call 751 about that.
You gotta give him my ID. Thank you, sir. I don't know. He's scared. I don't know. Told me I'm not supposed to be walking the wrong side.
You talking about me? Who you talking to?
I'm on my phone, man.
Oh, okay. All right.
They just told me I'm not supposed to be walking on that side.
All right. Let me give you a verbal warning for the pedestrian violation. Okay. Can you do me a favor and show me if you got anything in the back?
Okay, elementary.
No weapons at all?
No, sir.
And where's home for you?
Well, sir.
Okay. Hey, listen. You have some weed on you. Listen, if you got some weed on, I'm gonna get rid of it, dude. You're not gonna get hemmed up for it. But as long as it's not you, just not a huge amount. Okay. Listen, I'm a man of my word, dude. I'm not hemming you up for it. I promise. Is it just weed? You got no pills, no powders, nothing like that?
I was gonna go. Mom, I'm through the red, man. I was working for the job. Home, shower, smoke me up on working it on
Hey, you're not getting harassed. Stop that. You were stopped for a pedestrian? I know, it's an accident. It's what it is. And you were being let go as an accident.
Yes, sir. I'm sorry.
That's all right, man. You wouldn't happen to have your ID on, or your... this isn't your name, is it?
No, sir. It's a bag I seen over here.
Do you happen to have a medical marijuana card at all? Okay, listen. You're out of here, dude. You're gone in 5 minutes.
Yes, sir.
Give me a minute, throw this in the bag, make sure you got nothing else on you. Just work it off the Hauser, and you are on your way. You're going home. Look at me. Look at me. You're going home. All right? Just relax for a second. Yeah, I already took it.
Ma'am, do me a favor, please go across the street.
Right here.
Go ahead. You just don't have to yell.
Yeah.
We're all talking like normal people.
What?
We're all talking like normal people.
He's
boy, came on.
Like I said, he don't have the right to search. Don't give him the permission to search. He don't have the right.
He didn't give us any permission.
Yeah.
Okay?
Then you can't search him.
Okay, respectfully, I disagree. Just do me a favor, step over here for me. It's just for a safety thing for us, man, because she seems to be...
No, you just come over here for me.
Your mom doesn't have... I mean, if you want to, how old are you? How old are you? Okay. All right. Do me a favor, just put that on there for me. You're not lying to me, right? It's just a weed? Is that the case?
That's the weed.
All right, then put the thing right there so we can finish. You can keep your phone on you. Just do me a favor, put your hands on there. Try not to burn your stuff. Spread your feet. Step back to me, please. All right, just relax your hands, okay? Listen, if we're gonna be cool, we're cool. Are we cool?
I'm not even saying nothing.
All right, I agree. I'm on the wrong side of the road. I don't like. Listen, I believe you. I believe you. Anything in your pocket's gonna concern me, hurt me? All right, man, just relax. Just put your hand over there for me, okay? Hey, I don't want to have to put you in touch. No, but you need to, you're not listening. I wasn't finished, man. Face that way. Spread your feet. Step back to me, please. I'm trying to keep this as civil as possible, man. It's not a big deal. I don't know what you just said. It's not a big deal, man. It's just for your safety and ours. That's all. Smoke any vape? Yeah, no worries. Not illegal. Just curious about it. Here you go. Here. It's here. Okay. Do me a favor. Can you strip the shoe off for me, please? Real quick. 1 foot at a time for me, please. Just 1 foot back to me. Can you lift it up to me? No. Leave the shoe. I mean your foot. I need your foot. Yeah, I got you. I just need your foot. Okay, that's all. All right, the other one for me, please.
15, 12.
All right. Do me a favor, face that way for me, please. Left. Watch that. Can you give this back to you? Sir? Give it back to you. Give me your shoes back. All right, do me a favor, man. Just step over to Officer Hauser real quick. Just be careful, that's your mom right there. Come on. What did I ask you? Did I ask you that?
I was going to Jeremy's bar.
Take me and stuff to jail. What's the problem?
Ma'am, you need to stop right there.
Wrong side of the road.
I'm going to give you one more lawful command to stop right
Wrong
there.
side of the road. Really?
Vanilla 10 to flavor.
You don't yell at me. No, I'm not stepping back.
10,
He
6,
stepped
9,
back
13, I
already.
got
I'm 25 feet from my time.
You're not 20.
Yes, the fuck I am. He stepped back. I'm telling you what the fuck it is. Why is he getting arrested?
Since we need to focus on you, he can go with my car. How about that? You want to do it that way? Or you can relax and step back. Okay. Step right over here for me.
What's the wrong
It's over here.
side of the road?
Thank you.
I know. I got you. Hold on, relax your arm.
Can I explain why?
Yeah, 100%. I 100% you will let you, man, but we got to deal with your mom now.
Give me relax.
Just relax.
Relax. Come on. Relax.
All right, just sit down for me. Let me deal with your mom, and then we'll get to deal with you.
Yes.
Watch your arm. Okay, as much weight off it as you can, okay? And I'll get him out here in a second.
As the situation unfolds, the officer's interaction with the man's mother highlights the aggressive tactics used to silence and intimidate. The mother, understandably upset, is met with commands to step back and accusations of being on the wrong side of the road, escalating a non-issue into a confrontation. The 14th Amendment guarantees equal protection under the law, stating, "No state shall deny to any person within its jurisdiction the equal protection of the laws." Yet, the officer's dismissive and confrontational approach, telling her to Google it when she questions the stop, shows a blatant disregard for fairness, particularly when dealing with black families. The mother's frustration is not just about her son's detention, but about the systemic reality of being targeted for existing in public spaces.
Wrong side of the road.
Ma'am, respectfully, I understand it's your child. I'm going to ask you to please step off the side of the road. Since we need to focus on you, we're not going to focus on him. So what can I do for you?
I want to know why he's in the truck and why he's in trouble. First of all, what's the wrong side of the road?
Okay. Which one would you like to address first?
I want to know what's the wrong side of the road. When you walking, he got dropped off. He walked this
So
road
would you
every
like to
single
talk or would
day.
you like me to talk? You're asking a question and you're talking.
You know what? Go ahead and say what the fuck you got to say. I want to know what the wrong side of the road is.
Okay. You can just Google it if you like, since you want to yell at me.
Man, I don't got time for this. What's the wrong side
Me
of the
too.
road?
You're free to go. You don't have to stay here.
You know what? It's my time. What you mean I'm free to go? That's what I'm talking with.
Let's sit this here.
I don't know. All this fucking weed that you fucking smoke. We got better motherfucking problems around these motherfuckers. Yes, ma'am. I'm around. These bitches come on my son.
I got it. It helps out. 10 forward. How many more you got coming in?
I have one more coming here.
I'm still here. I ain't going nowhere. Y'all know me. Y'all know exactly why I am.
It's all on Bodycam.
Yeah, gloves on here now.
I get him in the car.
Okay. Good.
Actually, I think
Okay.
don't run the cereal.
Please. It should be. Let's see here. I don't even see this. Oh, on the back. So you're gonna have to throw the bolt forward real quick.
What you smiling about?
It's a good day.
Kiss my ass. I don't give a fuck. I wish you would have had nothing on. Then you'd have let call me ASAP so I come burn you out. Fuck these pussy ass motherfuckers. That he was walking on the Of course. Y'all got y'all one.
Ma'am, if you stand in the shade, it'll keep you a lot
I
cooler.
don't need to stay in the fucking
You don't have to.
I'm black. Your ass needs to stay in the shade.
You're right. I do need to stand in the shade.
Y'all motherfuckers say you ain't even black. You ain't white. You don't know what the fuck you're doing. Y'all better walk on the back side of the road. You don't know that's the people walking on the wrong side of the road.
All right, now that mom's gone. Now that mom's gone. No, that's okay.
Can I get her number, please? I'm about to cry. I don't have nobody's number.
Listen, I haven't even decided you're going to jail. As of right now, you guys.
Can I explain, bro?
Yeah, you can explain anything you
I'm
want.
from Chicago, bro. You know Kimaya and all them. Them boys, they don't like me, so I stay in the house. I work. I go home. I'm about to turn 21, so I'm gonna get rid of that. I was gonna give me a gun to register, bro, and my name, bro, because I ain't never been arrested, but now I'm getting arrested, so I ain't gonna get.
Have I told you you're under arrest?
No, sir.
That is not the case.
It's just I'm stupid, bro. I know better than that, bro. It's just I'm scared, but I don't like being out here. That's not the reason. It's just I don't feel.
You seem like you're a legit guy, just going back and forth to work. Okay.
I see it. I'm going in the house.
Okay.
I just fucked up, man. I apologize.
Okay. All right. You getting a little bit of air conditioning back here or what? All right. Give me a minute. We're gonna do everything I can to get you out of here. Okay. Listen, this could have gone really, really bad, and it went. As far as I'm concerned, so far it's going good. With the exception of your mom being a little angry at me, but I understand it's her baby, right? If I had him, I would do it the same for me. Don't be disappointed, man. Give us some time. Try to make sure, just make sure that those handcuffs. You know what? Let's just fix those right now. Okay? Do me a favor. Step out. All right. Let me look at these things, okay? Just relax your hands. I'm gonna rotate your wrists, okay? See how you can move it that much? That means that the pressure is not on it. But if you sit back and you put your body on the cuffs, I'm gonna pull this up for you, okay? It's gonna hurt, okay? You got okay wrist. See the wrist movement here? All right, I'm trying to keep it like that.
After the arrest, he was charged with possession of marijuana and concealing a firearm. He was subsequently booked into the Flagler County Jail. On September 23, 2024, he pleaded no contest to the charges and was sentenced to 24 months probation and issued a $768 fine by Judge Terrence Perkins. The officer's insistence on compliance, even as he acknowledges the minor nature of the alleged violation, underscores a broader pattern of control rather than justice. The officer's repeated assurances "You're going home," ring hollow as he continues to detain the young man, searching his shoes and belongings for no clear reason. The Fourth Amendment also requires that searches be based on probable cause, yet this encounter hinges on flimsy pretexts that crumble under scrutiny. The man's fear, rooted in his awareness of how these interactions can spiral, reflects a broader truth. Black individuals face a justice system that often assumes guilt before innocence. His mention of avoiding trouble and staying home to steer clear of police harassment paints a grim picture of a community forced to live under constant surveillance. The officers claim that this could have gone really bad is a veiled threat, implying that compliance is the only way to avoid escalation, an all too common reality for Black people navigating a system stacked against them. This encounter isn't an isolated incident. It's a snapshot of systemic injustice where walking while Black becomes a crime.